Hello and welcome back. This is Stevie Bucks Coins, so welcome to the channel. I have here a set of coins that are from a USSR or CCC or CCCP. The Cold War coins. I bought them as a pack of 50 odd coins, hoping that there would be one or two nice older coins from the Russia and possibly a couple of commemoratives, but I was wishing on a star, I suppose. This is the first coin, however. This is a 1 kopeck coin. You have the Russia symbol on one side and the value on the other. Second coins that I have are 2 kopeck. So we'll have one with the Russian symbol, we'll have one with the 2 kopeck, and we'll have a third one also showing the 2 kopeck. This is the next value up. As with previous videos of these coins, they don't have any mintage figures available, so you've only got the coins really to look at. Again, the basic design. These, as I said, these coins do have a low value, and they're probably ones that are no longer used in Russia itself. Again, on this one you've got just one coin of this value. You have the Russian symbol on this side, and on this side you have the value of 3 kopeck. Next one is the next value up, is the slightly bigger coin. Again, you've got the Russian coat of arms there, and you have 5 kopecks. I didn't get many of this particular type of coin in the 5 or 6. I think I had 5 bags worth of. I split them into 5 hunts. In the 5 hunts, I don't think I had many of this particular coin, which is a 5 kopeck. Oops. Let's have some brightly coloured ones, shall we? I have 5 of them. So I'll bring 2 of the better quality ones in for you to have a look at. This is a 10 kopeck. The other 3 I'll put straight into the bag, out of the way. You have the Russian symbol on this side, and you have the 10 kopeck there. None of these coins have what I would call something special about them, in the sense that there's no commemoratives. There's nothing different. They all have the same look to them. There's nothing great in the way that the Russians mint their coins, unfortunately. And here I've got 3, 6, 7 of the 15 kopeck coins. Let me just get a couple of the better ones out. There's the 15, and let me get a half decent one of the. There we go. One of each. The rest will go into the bag. These are 2 15 kopeck coins, 2 of the 15 kopeck coins that I had. Again, they have the same type of design. You have the Russian coat of arms, and then you have the value side, which has a value and the denomination. Nothing overly special with these coins, any of them, but they're a good set of date runs. And then I have 2 of the 20 kopeck, one from 1987, which is one of the later coins in the set, and 87 and 1990 of these 2. Now, the range of coins were from the sort of late 50s, early 60s, right the way through to 1990. So they were the Cold War era mainly, and the design didn't change in all that time. The good thing about this is the fact that it is good for this particular bag of coins that I got. Would have been good for a date run if you were trying to set up a Russian date run, and that's what I'm using these coins for, to be honest. Nothing more than that. I do have some Soviet era commemorative coins, and I am on the lookout for pre-Soviet coins from the times of the Tsars as well. I am looking particularly for those coins, so if anybody knows where I can get hold of some, let me know. So that's this hunt taken care of. These will stay in this bag until I go and do my date run and put my date run together, which possibly won't be in the near future. I've just got so much work so many coin videos to record before I get to that stage. However, I do a minimum 4 videos a week, sometimes 5, or in the past few weeks I've been releasing 5 videos a week. So hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. I hope that if you've enjoyed this and previous work that I've done, that you'll give me the thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please can you think about subscribing. I've set myself a target of 250 subscriptions by the end of December 2023. I'm currently on 196, and it is the 12th of August today when I'm recording this. So if you can help me out and you believe I deserve it, please could you give me a subscription. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can buy the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And lastly, thank you for watching for the whole video, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.